Dear student, good afternoon. I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Mustafizur Rahman, a senior assistant teacher, Mamun City Public High School, Sunutia Bazar, Jamalpur. Today, I want to discuss you about use of the right form of the verbs. At first, you have to know what is verb. Verb means action or work. When any word does something in a sentence is called verb. So, I want to discuss how do you use the gaps in the exam or exercise. At first, I want to discuss some rules about right form of verbs. Look at the whiteboard. I have written some sentences. So, I want to discuss these sentences serially. First sentence, the boy play hockey. The boy plays hockey. It is answer. It is given sentence. First sentence, the boy play hockey. You have to memorize the subject. What is subject? If the subject is third person singular number, you will add s or es with the verbs. So, look at the sentence. The sentence is third person singular number. So, you will use the boy plays hockey. You can add is. Is it clear? Number 1. Do you understand? Number 2. The sun set in the west. Look at the sentence. It has another rules. If the sentence is universal truth or habitual fact, it will be present indefinite tense. It is universal truth. The sun set in the west. The sun sets in the west. It will also present indefinite tense. Number 3, look at the whiteboard. He work now. He is working now. It is given sentence and it is answer, correct sentence. Look at this. If the sentence has now or at this moment, you will change present continuous tense. Only 2 words, now and at this moment. Look at this. He work now. He is working now. It has now. So you will change present continuous tense according to structure. Number 4. They have pushed the letter. Push the letter. Do you know number 4 rules? If the sentence has, have, has, had, it will be present perfect tense, past perfect tense, future perfect tense according to structure. According to sentence, it has have, so it will be changed present perfect tense. They have pushed the letter. They have posted the letter. It is present perfect tense. Is it clear? Number 5. He just do the work. Do the work. It has just. If any sentence has just, recently, already, yet, just now, it will be present perfect tense. At first, you have to clear The sentence has which type of words? Just. He just do the work. He has just done the work. It has just, so it will change present perfect tense. Number 6. The man died last night. Do you know the rule number 6? What type of rule? What type of rule you can follow? Look at the sentence. If any sentence has yesterday, last night, long since, long ago, it will be past indefinite tense. The man died last night. It has last night, so you can change past indefinite tense. The man died last night. Do you understand? Now, in this moment, I have discussed only 6 rules. Look at the right side. I have written 5 sentences according to structure, according to rule. Number 1, ill news run fast. Ill news. What type of sentence? What type of rule you can follow? It has third person singular number, so you can add only s or es with the verb. So, ill news run fast. Ill news runs fast. Have you understood? Number 2, there be many schools in Dhaka. Look at this sentence. This sentence is started with there. There are 2 rules for there. You can use a auxiliary verb instead of be. Do you know? There be many schools in Dhaka. The subject is plural, verb will be plural. Subject is singular, verb is singular. The subject is plural, so you can use plural verb. There are many schools in Dhaka. Have you understood? Number 3, an honest man be liked by all. All. Do you say what type of sentence? What is rule? It is passive form. An honest man be liked by all. It has also be. In the sentence, you can use the auxiliary verb instead of be. Be. An honest man, its subject is singular, so you can use singular verb. It is present tense, you can use is. An honest man is liked by all. Is there any problem? Next, look at number 4. I watched television when all light went out. I watched television when all light went out. It has 2 parts. 2 parts. Look at the sentence. I watched television. It is one part, and all light went out. It is another part. When adds this part, these parts. One part is past indefinite tense, so when you change, it will be past indefinite tense. So you can write I watched television when all light went out. Do you understand? Number 5. The boy read for 5 hours. Can you say how do you change this sentence? It indicates time for 5 hours, definite time. So it will be present continuous tense. If any sentence has for or since, you must change present perfect continuous tense. The boy read for 5 hours. The boy has been reading for 5 hours. You can change according to structure of the sentence present perfect continuous tense. Is there any problem? You can ask some question if there is any problem. No more today. Thank everyone. See again next class. Goodbye.